What is going on YouTube? Roy from Spoiled Fish coming at you with another video. Just messing around with a new camera today. I wanted to get some footage and put it online, see what you guys thought, see if it's better than what I had on or if it's worse. Try it in different lightings. There's no light in this guy's tank. See if we can get how much we can, what this camera will do anyway. Roll around here to this tank. He's still asleep. Alright, over here. Got one of the turtle tubs. Oh wow, I think you can see the OBs a lot better with this camera. There's no light on in there either. There's an overhead light off to the right, or the left. Your left. And here's one of the turtle tubs. He's way down there in the bottom. There he comes. He's coming up. There he is. Yeah, like I said, I'm just doing a little camera test here to see how this thing looks. And sounds. I guess I could do a sound test too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up? Roy from Spoiled Fish. Sound test. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I guess that's good enough for a test right now. I want to get this up online today and see what it looks like, see what it sounds like. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.